Okay guys, let me show you one very great remedy that would help you to change your skin overnight, and that would help you to maintain a glowing, a youthful, and a more younger looking skin. So what I'm going to be needing is baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so what we're going to need is a half tablespoon of baking soda. A half tablespoon of baking soda is basically what we're going to be needing for this. And we're equally going to be making use of sugar. Now you know that sugar contains smaller granular particles, which helps so much to scrub out dead skin cells, and it's equally helped to maintain an even clear and a more toned, beautiful skin. So it's going to scrub out those blemishes and pigmentations. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to be needing about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now if you have your brown sugar, you can actually add up to this, and then it will be very, very, very effective. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing this all up. And that is perfect. Okay guys, so for the very next ingredients, we're going to be making use of potato. Now potato helps so much when it comes to the skin. It helps to lighten up the skin, it helps to maintain an even glowing and a more youthful skin, and it helps so much to rejuvenate and make your skin pop up. Alright, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be peeling off the potato. Alright, after peeling this off, alright, so what I'm going to do here is that I'm gonna go boil this potato, and then I will be right back. So I just finished boiling the potato, and this is what I got. Alright, so I'm not gonna be taking too much of it. Now after that, would have to mash the potato into a paste. Okay, or we can actually blend. Well, since I didn't blend my potato, I'm just sure going to be mashing it. So you just give me a little time while we mash the potato into a paste. Alright guys, so after we have mashed the potato, this is what I got. So I'm going to mix it dry a little first. The sugar is going to loosen it up and make it look as if I actually put in water. Okay. Alright, so the very next ingredients which you need so much is vaseline, petroleum jelly. Now if you can't, if your skin does not agree with petroleum jelly, you can use coconut oil. Okay, it's gonna be perfect also. Now we'd have to be mixing this all up together. Alright, you see, I actually didn't put in any water. This is a skin butter that would actually help to change your skin overnight. It will actually make your skin look so beautiful overnight. It will make your skin flawless and really young. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So what you're going to do is that you're going to apply this on your face, on your neck, on your body also, okay, for a great and a more effective result. All right, so how you're gonna excuse me, guys, to apply this onto my hands to show you. Okay, otherwise you apply it on your face. Okay, it's literally very safe to apply on your face, and it's going to actually change a whole lot of things. Yeah. Okay, so what you do is that you grab this treatment, you know, without putting in any water. You spread it onto your face, especially those places in which you're experiencing wrinkles and all, or fine lines, or you're seeing that your face is actually not is actually having pigmentations and age-related problems. You have to apply this generously onto your skin, just like this. Okay, so after which you've covered this up, you can let it sit there and do the job for you. Okay, this is actually not going to dry, but because of the petroleum jelly, it's not going to like dry strong. Of course, it's going to dry a little, and it's going to leave your skin really soft. After that, guys, you can wash it off with a lukewarm water or a normal water. Okay, and it's going to help your skin glow. It's going to change your skin. Now it is something that you can always apply, so you have to store this for approximately 3 to 4 days in your fridge, and you constantly use it. You can use it every day for at least 2 weeks, guys. Trust me, when you're using it, you make sure to apply it and apply it again. Even if you're done applying the one, just keep on massaging your face with it, and you're going to see the result. The result is going to be so awesome. Your face is going to be so smooth, and your skin is going to be so soft, and it's going to tone up your skin, and it's going to leave your skin looking like that of a baby skin. So go give it a try, and you're going to be loving it.